How are we going to measure the dimension of our planets? Reconditioning the measure to the style of the 21st century. Determination of the solar noon. Solar noon is the moment when the sun reaches its maximum height above the horizon and passes through the meridian of the place where it began measured. This is important to carry out this work, since we must know the time of the day which must carry out the measurements. To do this, we will start by installing a stellarium on our device or by going to the stellarium web. In this case, we will do it through a stellarium web, but it is also possible through the application, doing in the same way. The main difference is that the application we must enter the coordination and our locality, while stellarium web locates us. We can access stellarium by all of our location information. We move the date forward to March 20 until such time as we believe to be just before solar noon. We choose the sun as an object and we look the AL parameter, which tells us the angle of correspond to A, and we try to see at what time the highest point occurs. Over time, the AL parameter changes. The value of the AL parameter increases with the time, so at some point it will reach its maximum height, that is at solar noon. From that moment, the A begins to decrease. We must choose a time interval between 45 minutes before and 45 minutes after noon to have a series of points in order to obtain the length of the shadow on the tool with which we are going to measure. We will follow the same step to determine the position of the sun of March 21, spring equinox in the northern hemisphere or autumn hemisphere in the southern hemisphere, and June 21st, summer solstice. As we will do in our time, each participating setter will obtain the measurement at each of the different points in order to obtain the position of the sun at noon at different points on our planets.